check her out, or him. Let's go up here. Look. Do you mind if I sit in front of you?
As long as you're short.
I'm not super short.
I think he's heating up the bottom so he can flatten it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was wondering. Oh, look at the red one. Yeah, pretty.
He's going back in.
Oh, there's another.
Oh,
Let's see, what is he gonna do with that?
Is it stemless or stem? Stemless.
I thought she said a stemless wine
Oh
lot.
wait, hold on. I think it's to catch us out. That's what she's doing. So then when it breaks off there.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's what I figured.
yeah, you got it right.
Oh.
Good job.
Look at that. Oh look, and then I think it's widening now.
Tag team.
Cool.
Very
I
cool.
want to see them do the cane.
You want to see what?
The cane.
The what?
Cane.
Cane.
It's where they take it and then they twist it. Oh, and then, okay. Are you talking about when they do the, like the handles on like the cups?
Oh, the candy cane there?
Yeah, like, so, like
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
well, I think he was just doing the wine glass today. Or right now. I don't know. Ooh, look at that color now.
Wow. So you gotta wind it up. Yeah.
It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, he's just cutting that.
Wow, that sounded fun. Inhale.
I can't believe she's wearing shorts
Oh,
around
look
all
at
that
that.
hot stuff.
He is too.
Look how
Yeah.
it's sliding at the
Oh,
top.
goodness gracious.
Yeah, because if any of that hits you, that would be
Mhm.
That's
Look at that.
He's wearing shorts.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Love that.
the color changed again.
That's really
We lost the red in it, didn't we?
Was there even any red in it? That was just the heat glass.
That was just the heat.
See, it's like.
Well,
He's
if you
just
put
doing
it
that.
in the, yeah.
Cool.
Very cool.
Mm. So neat. Mm.
Very cool. Very cool.
And it kind of turned red right there.
Oh, it's different. Okay.
There's a button.
Look,
You see heat coming off that?
love it.
I wonder how long does that have to cool for? I wonder.
doesn't look
Oh,
hot,
look
but
at
it
it.
is hot.
Look at it.
Oh, yeah.
So neat.
Don't look hot, but it is hot.
It probably has to go in the glass too.
I think it's
I
like,
ended up putting it in like a
I don't know. We're gonna have to
or a
ask.
cooling chamber.
I remember up there at 3rd degree, but I can't remember what they said. They called it a kiln or not. I know, but it still was like kind of something.
Now what does he mean?
I don't know.
Is it like a set of windows?
Maybe.
Just a wing and then like something. Oh wait.
Ooh.
Is that a stem or is that an animal?
Almost looks like a rose.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Roses.
Wow.
Because now it's making
Ooh.
cool.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. That was much easier to make. A lot of technique there, but it looked like it was much easier to make.
So if you watch, he's gonna come back and torch the end of the rose.
Okay.
Stack. And when he does that, the whole flower will glow because of the fiber optics nature of plants.
Wow.
Look at it. Can you see it, babe?
So where did you put the wine glass at?
So everything goes into an annealing oven, which gets it stays at 950 degrees all day. It gets all of the different parts and thicknesses
look.
of the glass,
Oh,
same
I love
temperature,
that.
and then it cools down slowly overnight. As glass cools, it shrinks. So as we work, parts of that glass are hotter or colder depending on how we touch it, how we stretch it, all of that. And so by putting it in there, it takes all of that stress from the pieces that are cooling down faster or slower, depending on how we worked it, out of that piece. Otherwise, everything would just crack and crumble.
Okay.
How hot is that kiln thing in there?
The glory hole
Yeah.
is about 2,200 degrees, 21, 22.
Oh my God.
All of our
Do you
glass-
wear shorts in here?
Oh yeah, it's too hot to wear shorts. It's currently 111 in there.
Oh my God.
I'm good.
So you see why this is nicer outside.
Yeah. Good behind the glass.
Mm-hmm.
Wintertime, I came out here in the winter though, it was nice in here because the window was open.
Yeah, in the wintertime we open these windows and it'll be 75 or 80 in there. And
Maybe we'll just come out
usually
Yeah,
it's
it's
cooler
nice.
out here.
Yeah, that would be nice.
What's he doing with that little gritty stuff?
Making a pattern that's a color. I think
Oh,
that's
okay.
white. He's gonna put as a
Oh,
pattern.
I see what he's doing.
Oh, okay.
Can you see him? What he's doing? Doing his, making his pattern.
Very cool.
Oh, cool.
Time for
I
a
like
break.
to goof off and I like to show off and I like to play around. So I'm gonna work on a little cat. Yeah.
Oh,
They're real playful. There's room for error, so it may not turn out. It may turn out. So I have just some extra color there. I just put it in little stripes. I'm gonna gather up a white and then I'll gather over clear and I'll put those stripes kind of on the back,
oh, cool.
just for the fun of it. Is what we're doing.
Cool. Cool.
If it turns out good, it turns out great. Hopefully it does.
Cat. I thought you said cat. I haven't stopped up here with your cat. Okay.
And he said it may or may not turn out.
Yeah,
You're
I
just
heard
gonna
that
mess
part.
around
For
with
some
it.
reason, I didn't catch that cat.
That's how you create, right?
I don't know my person.
Little baby. I can't see in that mirror.
Me neither. I mean, I
It-
just get up
you
and
gotta
fix his-
take-
It's down in here, but gotta come up here. Scoot up.
I see that, but I was trying to watch in the mirror up top, and I can't see
No,
it.
I can't see it in the mirror.
Is that? Can you see in the mirror back there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's more for you, not me.
Okay, so I guess because we're.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't even know it was up there.
Like I'm trying to watch.
A hummingbird feeder would be really cool.
Oh yeah.
What is
They
it?
done. Has he done a hummingbird?
I don't know. I just was thinking about it. I was like, oh, that would be cool.
He makes them periodically, usually.
Oh, he
it's
does?
just like special orders.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Well, I think the storm stopped and stuff. So you good now? You have like chocolate on your face.
That's the reason probably seems stronger now. By the river, the storms. The river.
Oh, well, there you go. Maybe you just needed a combination of some heat and.
Oh, this here, not this.
This one. Yeah. Wow. Ooh, okay. So,
Where were you at in the truck?
I think we should get your brother a little something, like little things too. I don't want to play watching it for me. I know, but you can't have that. A cactus. Here it goes again. This will send your mom and mom pictures.
yeah. You need to get some. Here, let me take a picture. You got this one. Watch it. He's the one with this one. Oh, he's got all the colors. Okay. Let me take one of you guys. Watch it. Come back here.
Okay. I got the one on the outside. When are you inviting them back? Thanksgiving? We're all gone. This would be fun for you guys to come
Oh,
to
yeah,
this
this
way.
would be good. Yeah.
I think he likes the artsy stuff.
Oh, wow. Look how big it got.
Here he goes.
Dipping in the
Look at it.
Wow. Wait, I see. Yeah, there's the stripes.
I should have thrown my sunglasses in my car.
Never get to finish watching because they're doing such like fancy dishes. I mean, still neat.
I think this.
I like this because this is more. Oh, and then she was telling me.
Yeah.
So,
We should try to set that.
He's working on a cat. He picked up, the first gather, he picked up white, so that then the solid and the other colors on the outside kind of pop off and glow.
Look at that.
So now he's just marving it, trying to get the shape he needs for the next step.
So the coffee was supposed to wake me up. I'm still just as tired.
It was so rich.
Oh, I like trying like little coffee places.
And it's good. I mean,
How many demonstrations do you guys do a day, or?
Depends on the day, how hard we're working. We're both tired after yesterday. He's building a house, so he was, afterward, he went up and was working on the house in the heat, and then he overslept this morning, so we're both taking it pretty slow today. I think he's done maybe 10 or 12 pieces.
Okay. Cool. Do you guys sell online and stuff too? or-
Mostly just in the store. We have a Facebook store through Square. And you can go on and like order things, but most of what we have, it's either a special order through the Square store or it's bought here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's got the ears.
Periodically, we'll get somebody, we'll post pictures of me work and somebody will comment if they want something on Facebook and then we sell it that way. But most of it's all here.
Cool.
So he pulls out the kitty's legs, he's pulled out his ears and his nose. He gave a little line for his head.
Like you can see it
Do
perfectly.
you do like special orders, like if somebody wants like a set of wine glasses or something? My son's getting married in September. That would be really cool.
Well, if you want to do that order soon, because we are a couple months out.
Oh, really?
So,
Okay. Okay. So how much is one? How much would be like a set of 4?
I think they're
Yeah, that's a
priced at
fun
35 each.
Okay. So it's like 140. It'd be worth it. It'd be a unique gift that they would never get from anybody else.
Yeah.
I just gotta do it.
Does your son have his toasting glasses yet? Because that would be for him and his
We're
bride.
actually, he's doing a destination wedding.
Oh.
So we're going to Gatlinburg into the Smoky Mountains is where their wedding is. And I really, all I know is that we're going to the wedding. He got me a cabin in the woods so I could see bears.
Oh, cool. I was just thinking that would be a cool gift too, to have your toasting glasses.
Yeah, well, I don't even, oh, I hate for them to haul them around.
Well, that's true. Yeah, with the destination wedding for sure.
Be my luck they would break them. Because they're taking their dogs in the wedding, so
Oh,
I could see her jumping up and. Oh, that is so cool.
'cause your mom bought our toasting glasses for us. Beer holders.
yeah.
Yeah. And she bought our cake topper for us too. You need to like get that stuff out.
Yeah, we need to have this one.
I still have a Tiffany's and Company dish. I have no idea what to do with it. Look at that
Oh,
cake.
wow, that is so cool.
Now it almost looks like a squirrel.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the bubbly.
Well, with the tail, yeah,
Yeah.
with the bubble, it almost looks like a squirrel right now.
Could be.
He's going to use the torch and get just the tail super high, and then go back in and flash the whole thing again. So the little thin legs and feet and ears don't pop off, always pull the tail out. Only time it's okay to pull a cat's tail.
See, it looks like a squirrel, doesn't it? Bushy old tail.
Use those diamond shears to just pull the cat away from the pipe. You get the
Oh.
tail a little twist.
Oh my God.
Where it wants the length of it to be.
That's so interesting.
I like the way they don't just cut through it, they just cap it.
And then using it towards the end of it just to get the sharp edges off.
Oh, lucky cat.
I think it. I think it
It looks good, yeah.
Oh, look at him.
Very cute. Oh.
Oh, I love that.
Yes,
Not focusing.
Yeah.
so cute.
Do you do dogs too? Like if I wanted to order one?
My phone might be able to do it.
got it.
I'd have to ask him.
Okay. My son's got a husky that's going to be in his wedding, and I thought, well, if I got him 4 glasses and a husky, that would be really cool.
Did you check the system about maximum deliveries?
No. I'm sure it'll be fine. Or she doesn't have to drop them off.
That was fun. I like all the old signs in there. The Falstaff one that brings back when I was a little bitty kid. I remember Falstaff in St. Louis.
I don't know. Do you need a water from the, go back down to the cafe and get a water if you need? Since you've got it.
You need more. Pedro?
He's gonna make an ornament next.
Oh, cool.
What's this until my 4th of July?
I don't know. He said he's going to make it colorful, so who knows? We've made red, white, and blue ones before.
Do you do the stained glass too?
Gary and Judy make those, yeah.
It's one thing I'd love to learn how to do.
Beth has been working on stained glass. It would have been this
Like
one.
putting it together?
Yeah, she learned from Grandpa Blanford. You guys, I think, would have really liked it to learn from Grandpa Blanford.
So for this, he gets a single gather of clear glass. He won't do a second gather on this one. It'll just be the first and then color.
It's gonna be like one of those long ones over there. Oh, cool.
Just picking up a little bit of white.
Oh, I can do that now.
Oh, am I buying a wine glass? I may. Although I will. What he did a rose.
Yeah, I just said
The rose was fast.
that. This one's big.
Rose was really fast. Has he made a sea turtle?
We have made some turtles.
Oh, yes.
Not for a while. We've made them in the past.
Okay. Maybe next time we come. We'll have a sea turtle.
We're from a long way.
Where are you guys from?
Cedar Hill.
Oh, we're from Denver.
Actually, I'm in Denver. I'm so close to Cedar Hill, I call it Cedar Hill.
Oh, okay.
We're off a different road.
Oh, okay. We're off Township
Oh,
in Calby Creek.
so you know. Oh, I forgot the girl's name. She's way down on the left. She's probably 20-something by now.
Our farm's off. So
Kayla?
you take, or we take Township to Calby Creek. We're off Calby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Calvary Creek, AJ.
I know some people down Township have been there for 20 years.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny.
I can't believe
We're if you go down off Calby Creek, we're the farm on the left, Crawl Farms.
What is it?
Crawl Farms.
Okay.
So yeah. My husband's family's been there since 1946.
Wow.
42, 46.
Somewhere.
We get out here about every 3 months trying to get some kids that we got foster kids and take them for
Oh,
it's already been over a year.
oh my.
So we stop in that was it Ruthie's? Ruthie's Cafe in Rosebud.
Oh,
Yeah.
it used to be something else, didn't it?
I'll go there. It was good enough I bought their hat.
Yeah.
Well,
Every time we come in and we eat
we
there.
love that. Their pies and that.
Oh yeah, they have.
Their old place they had, you know, we've got one that burned. That was. And then we went to the new one after. You know.
Yeah.
It was
We
so
just went
crowded.
right down here to this little cafe. That was really good
Oh,
too.
okay.
Yeah, coffee shop.
Yeah.
We love it out this way.
Yeah, we passed through here when we went to Herman last weekend, and so we decided, oh, hey, they have an arts district. So we looked it up, and that's how we found it.
We saw it on TV on Channel 2 News a while back.
Oh,
A
cool.
long time ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was early spring.
Yeah.
February,
That's when
March.
we came through and we didn't get to make it.
Very cool.
You too, thanks for coming.
Okay, now if for some reason it quit working. Anyway, there's a lot of things I've seen in 60 years. A lot. I've done a lot of things in 60 years. Some things bad, some things good. But haven't we all? When I was thin and used to run, I was I don't know, I had a lot of boys chasing me, that's all I'm gonna say. Going by the cop shop. They got this little bitty town of maybe 800 people has got 3 SUV police cars. What the hell? How many criminals can there be in an 800 person town? Good Lord. All right, we're getting close to the glass blowing. What do we got here? We got an old Tomboy. Does anybody remember those grocery stores? Now it's New Haven's variety store. Looks like they sell appliances. Doesn't look like a variety. Got a Mexican restaurant. You got one on every corner in Missouri. Got a cool looking beer or bar. I wouldn't mind going in and having me a Michelob Ultra. Old theater that doesn't look like they're showing movies there anymore. Another variety store. I don't know what that one is. It's got a sign for open or close. I know you guys aren't seeing this. Custom embroidery t-shirts plus much more. Oh, I'd like to get a t-shirt made that says Adventure by the Mile. Another store. A little coffee restaurant. Oh, I wonder if I got enough money for a cup of coffee. What else do we got over here? Here it is. Astral Gas. Not gas, glass. And then on the end down there, I'm gonna watch it because I drive like shit. On the end down there is another hair in my mouth, a variety store. So I'm gonna go into the glass place. They got a sign on the door, but there's lights on, so I don't know what that means. But look at my hair. Oh my God. Hey, guess what? It's my natural color too. I got very little gray for 60 years old. My dad didn't really get gray hair until he was about 70, so hallelujah for that one. Okay, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna take my tripod with me. We'll see what they do. We'll see if they'll do something for me. If not, I'll just film all the cool stuff in there. I feel kind of weird. I've never done that before. Filmed while I'm walking through a place. God, what in the hell's going on? But yeah, we're gonna check it out. Believe this shit. I'm driving. There's a Dodge 3/4 ton pickup just passed me. I was sitting, turned around, came back and parked, and that hillbilly, for better words, got out and was standing on the bank pissing. What the hell? Who does that shit? You ain't a redneck hillbilly in Missouri pissing in front of somebody driving by. Oh my God, then you're not a hillbilly. Unreal. Totally friggin' unreal. I just can't believe it. I absolutely can't believe it. Standing there, I mean, I almost could see his package. Who the hell does this shit? My God. I'm in shock right now. Total shock. I seen him. I can't believe I seen it because I didn't drive fast through there because it's like this. It's got potholes in it and there's water and I don't remember how deep they were, but I was going like this and I slowed down real slow like this. I was driving and I looked over and I was like, holy shit. He's got his wanker out. He's pissing. Where does this street go? I don't know if it goes around or not. We'll find out. No, I don't think it does. I guess I'm doing a U-turn here. Can you guys believe that? Taking a freaking leak right there while somebody is driving by. Oh my God. I literally can't get over it. I've seen a lot of things in my 60 years of living, but holy crap, I ain't seen that. I mean, I got some stories I could tell, things that I've seen, or weird things that some people might have done when they were younger. But I won't tell them